Knowing how to love your friends is the most important thing. Let's all get up to some mischief. Together we can play and sing. No, he's nothing like a hippo, nor like a tall giraffe. He's like a dinosaur, and he really loves to laugh. Yes, here comes Tommy, our little Tommy. It's Tommy the Dragon and friends. Tommy, our favorite Tommy. It's Tommy the Dragon and friends.
An endless birthday. Yesterday, we had a party to celebrate Mandy's birthday.
It was so much fun. Everybody congratulated me, gave me presents. I blew out candles. Here. I won't play. I'll just wait for my birthday. Here.
Whoa, wait a minute. So you'll sit and wait for a year?
Oh! Play without us.
Will I have to play alone for a whole year? It's not dragonish. Toyroy, let's fly. To the world of magic bubbles, we'll set off without troubles. We've arrived to the world of everlasting birthday. Well, now someone will have a party.
Wait, who?
A panda named Mandy. Huh? Woohoo!
Huh? Wow! What? Will we have guests?
There is nobody to come. Everyone has their own birthday.
Yay!
Oh, Mandy, don't. We play ball on ordinary days, and you have to receive the presents.
What? Again? Yay!
Not again, but once again. It's another birthday. Yay!
It's your birthday and we have to say it's time for you to laugh and play. So open all your presents and blow out all the candles. But don't forget to wish, because all your friends are here to sing happy birthday to you. It's your birthday and we have to say it's time for you to laugh and play. So open all your presents and blow out all the candles. But don't forget to wish, because all your friends are here to sing happy birthday to you. It's your birthday and we have to say it's time for you to laugh and play. So open all your presents and blow out all the candles. But don't forget to wish, because all your friends are here to sing happy birthday to you. It's your birthday and we have to say it's time for you to laugh and play. So open all your presents and blow out all the candles. But don't forget to wish, because all your friends are here to sing happy birthday to you. It's your birthday and we have to say it's time for you to laugh and play. So open all your presents and blow out all the candles. But don't forget to wish, because all your friends are here to sing happy birthday to you.
I'm too full for more cake and too exhausted to open presents. I'm bored of having fun alone. I'll go to Andy's party.
Mandy, where you going? What about your birthday, huh?
Let's run!
Mandy, Andy, what's wrong? This is your favorite birthday. You've got to open your presents.
No, I don't want either. Anyway, I have no time to play with them. I want a usual day, an ordinary one, not a party. And Andy too. No! Oh, thank goodness, the birthday is finally over.
Ah, it is. I love ordinary days.
I just thought birthdays were no big deal. I wish every day was a New Year day. Here.
Really? Well, I know such a place.
No, we won't go there. Let New Year come to us.
But New Year's in winter, and now it's summer. It's too long to wait.
We won't wait. Andy, where's your ball?
Yeah, that's right. Playing is more dragonish than waiting. A forbidden word. Tonight, Mom has allowed Mandy to have a real picnic, but asked to look after her little brother.
Andy, don't frighten the fish. Don't eat the sand. Don't.
Well, that's it. We don't say don't anymore.
But how can we do it without it?
Well, you'll see. To the world of magic bubbles, we'll set off without troubles. Yay! Here we are. In this world, we say the word do. Say the word do.
Sorry?
Come on, check it out. Say frighten the fish.
Frighten the fish? Don't?
Now you, Toyroy, say if we can eat the sand.
But how in the world can we explain what we don't?
We can't, so we can do anything we want. Wow, a cake! I can eat it!
Hold on, that is not cake! If you were thinking you can eat it, don't!
Wow, an ice rink! We could go skating!
Andy, don't!
Hey!
Ay, ay, ay.
Why didn't you warn us that the ice rink was so sticky?
But I did warn you.
No, you just made us laugh.
I told you, don't!
There, you did it again.
Let's invent another word instead of don't. Then we won't have to say that word anymore.
Then let it be donut.
Remember, Andy, donut means don't. Yeah, yeah. Is it a flower bed?
Oh, they're traffic lights.
Andy, donut!
Andy, donut! And now you can.
I think we really do need the word don't.
I wish I could eat 1,000,000 cakes. And then in puddles, have a funny race. And then I would lick all the icicles that I face. But there is important don't that saves us from the stupid wrongs.
I know what we can do. We can go back to our fun picnic. That'll be nice.
That sounds great. Do.
Can we? We can.
Here, take a donut.
No, Andy. It's a good donut, which you can.
A A good mood. Mandy is in a bad mood since morning. And she's taking it out on everything.
Stupid mud pie.
Do you want to play ball?
Stupid ball.
So, well, here. Mandy, when is your good mood gonna get back?
I don't know. It may never do.
Never? Andy, we have to rescue Mandy right now. And us as well.
Yeah?
We're going to a place where the mood is always good. Toyroy, bubble up. To the world of magic bubbles, we'll set off without troubles. Oh boy.
I don't know. I can't see any mood at all here, Tommy.
It was here before and gave everyone lots of fun and joy. But it's okay. There's no good mood. But I am here. Now we'll all just bubble up a nice day. Does that sound good? Flower stems up. Up, up, up. Come on, little flowers. What the? Oh. That is amazing. Oh, Birdie, give us a song.
So you see, Tommy, the birdie is also in a bad mood.
No, it's just that he doesn't have an accompaniment. Oh, I see. There's no joy or fun because of the clouds. Clouds, just skedaddle out of here.
You better stop that, Tommy, or my mood will be even worse.
Oh, don't you worry, Mandy. It won't get worse. It's already bad enough.
It's not funny. Bring Andy and me back home.
Oh, okay. Where's Andy? Andy!
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 Where's Andy?
Andy!
Andy! Wanna, gimme!
Here it is. The good mood.
In a pit?
Yep, it's got down, but who's the best mood buster in the world? I am! Toyroy, give me a hand. Ooh! I can't get up. The mood is too heavy. What's so funny? Oh, why didn't I think of that? The mood is lighter because of the smiles and laughter. If the sky is cloudy, no friends nearby, if it rains all morning, you just need to smile. A broad smile, without a doubt, makes your bad mood go out. Wow, dragonish!
The most dragonish.
We rescued the good mood! Hooray! Oh, Mandy, but we can't take the mood with us.
It's okay. I've got an idea.
It turns out, if a good mood disappeared, then you can make it yourself with your own hands. Hey!
Watch out!
I'll show you. The land of scattered papers. Hey!
Kids, it's time to clean up the room.
And why does fun always have to end in such a boring way?
Now, who around here wants to tidy up?
Oh,
You know what? I really wish we lived in a land where no one has to ever clean up.
as Tommy, I've got a great idea. Why didn't I think of this before? Kids, who wants to not tidy up with the best of the dragons?
Andy!
To the land of magic bubbles, we'll head out without troubles. Welcome to the land of scattered papers. Hey, you can litter here. Whoa, go, 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 go. You have to litter here.
Cake?
However, cleaning up is forbidden. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Long live the trash! Hey! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Where are we now?
The Valley of Leftovers.
Ew.
It's not ooh. It's good, 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 good. So long live leftovers. Wait! Look over here. There. Whoa.
Tommy!
Fun, am I right? In this land, they don't wipe their dust. That's how these dust mountains appeared. Achoo!
I wonder if they wash dirty dragons in this land.
I catch your drift. Hey, I know. Let's go for a swim. Woo! Oh, you know what? Somehow, I don't want to swim anymore.
Yuck. Well, what happened to Long Live the Trash?
Well, sometimes ever so slightly, I want to be clean.
Then let's clean this place.
That's unthinkable. Why, no one has ever cleaned up in this area.
Then we'll be the first. So, who's gonna tidy up the beach?
Then let's do a nursery rhyme, okay? Eeny, meeny, miny, ash. I will not clean up this trash, and I will put it in a pile. It will grow for quite a while. Eeny, meeny, miny, more. This pile of trash I will explore. All in dirt, I'll go astray. I'll completely lose my way. Eeny, meeny, miny, no. I want this pile of trash to go. Surely I can clean the bunk. It will not be full of junk. Whoa! The big mess has woken up.
Who?
I think the big mess is like a volcano.
Time to go home. Go home.
I'm very worried about the land of scattered papers. What if it just all fell apart?
At least we won't have it in our room.